Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to DeuxLicious, episode 2. I'm Ben.
And I'm Yol. And today it is NFL Sunday. We have 2 new recipes for you guys today. And because football's on,
You won't have my attention.
so we got some popcorn coming up for you guys, as well as bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers.
There's nothing says vegetarian like a touch of bacon.
We're gonna make the popcorn first while the oven preheats for the poppers.
So preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
400 degrees. Oh.
Alright, let's make some popcorn, folks. What you need to make popcorn on your stove is a stove.
A stove!
Alright, so we have a handy little pot here. It's about 2.5 quarts, and for you Canadians, that's 2.3 liters. Step numero uno. Turn your pot element to high. We need a tablespoon of olive oil.
If you don't have olive oil, you can literally use any other oil.
I'm gonna grab 3 test seeds and put them in my pan. 1, 2, trace. Now we're gonna throw the lid on here, let those seeds heat up. When they pop, we know the pan is ready. While you're waiting for those to heat up, take your 1/3 of a cup measuring cup and fill it up with some seeds. Shake it out, she's even. Got one popped. 2, 3. It's go time, people. Remove your lid and dump your seeds in.
Here we go. Shake it, 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 shake it like a Polaroid picture. Hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid.
You got your pop, but do you got your top? Let's do this.
Alright, so we are gonna add some butter and salt to our popcorn. Melt your butter in the microwave. So it's as simple as adding your butter to the popcorn. Then we add some salt. Bada boom, bada bang. Better than movie theater popcorn. Cheaper than store-bought popcorn. Homemade popped popcorn.
Dirty pop.
Aw, yeah. Alright. Oh! So our stove is now preheated to 400 degrees, and we are going to start prepping the poppers. Pro tip: after you touch jalapenos or cut into them at all, don't touch anything else until you wash your hands like 8 times.
Really, guys, don't touch anything else.
So we're cutting each in half.
I mean nothing. Don't go to the bathroom. Just don't go to the bathroom. I promise you.
Okay, now that you have all of your poppers cut in half, you wanted to seed them because all the little seeds inside of this is what makes it so hot.
Alright, let's make our cheese mixture. We're gonna take our light cream cheese because we're healthy, but it's also no name because we ball on a budget. So we got that much. Throw some of this cheese on that. Just gonna mix her up. And this is mixing so well. I'm calling it a sub.
Ben was struggling.
And like that, no mess, folks.
Okay, so the next step is to fill up your jalapenos
Just rub my nose.
with your cheese mixture.
Alright, folks. Bacon. Your favorite. Stings.
Stop touching your face! I don't even like milk. Okay, I don't know where the spice is coming from, but it's just spreading. It's also 24:13 now.
Big it up. Big it up. So, half a strip of popper. You take the pop.
Okay, stop with the offensive accent.
Number 1. We have a run-of-the-mill kitchen pan here, cookie sheet, whatever you want to call it. We have lined it with some parchment paper, because we're apparently from Harry Potter. Place your popper on the parchment paper. Say that 3 times fast. Baking time!
Alright, so we have our bacon wrapped poppers, and now we're going to just put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. We'll check on them then, see if they're done, and assess the situation from there. They were in for 20 minutes at 400. So we're gonna put them back in the oven on broil for 5 more minutes.
Thanks for tuning in to episode 2 of DeuxLicious. I'm Ben,
And I'm Yol.
and we'll hit you next time as we try something different.